Hello, it's Cam at Stafford Land Rover showing you today this approved used Land Rover Discovery finished in black. This 2025 model comes with a 3-litre D350 diesel engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The large matrix LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering the driver great visibility, especially at night, and this car stands on 22-inch 5-spoke gloss black alloy wheels. With the third row seats folded down, there is over 1,000 litres of usable boot space capacity in this car, meaning larger items such as luggage and even utility items are going to fit with no problem. There is also adjustable air suspension to help lift heavier items into the car, and the boot can be closed with just the push of a button. Making our way into the back of the car, we can find the Ebony interior paired with the Ebony Windsor leather seats. These do contain ISOFIX points, and there is a fold-down armrest which will reveal 2 exposed cup holders. Backseat passengers can also utilise their own climate control panel, which does contain 2 USB-C charging ports. Taking a step into the front, we can find the continuation of the Ebony interior with contrasting trimmings on the dash and door frames. These seats are the same Ebony Windsor leather with additional side support for extra comfort, and they are electronically adjustable. Here's a closer look at the multifunctional 4-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel, with controls on the left for the virtual cockpit as well as volume, and on the right for the cruise control and heated steering wheel. The virtual cockpit itself has different display options to best suit driver preference. This includes 1 and 2 dial as well as the map view. Taking a look at the main infotainment system, there is built-in satellite navigation with useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel stations. You can pair to Bluetooth and radio with FM and DAB, as well as wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated seats are located here as well, with ventilation and heating various of power to best suit the current weather conditions. And finally, you can access the rear view parking camera to help move this larger vehicle. Below that, there is a climate control panel with physical dials and buttons to help aid in the temperature control. And forward of the centre console, there is a place to store your phone with a USB-C charging port. There is also a slide-away cover on the centre console with 2 exposed cup holders underneath it, and the leather-wrapped armrest can be lifted up to reveal a steep storage pocket inside. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this approved used Land Rover Discovery. For any more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.